Okay. What is that? What breakfast? Bread and coffee.
Bread and tea.
Noodle.
Bread and tea.
Bread and tea. Coffee and ejaculate. You can say cow stick.
Yeah. And tea.
Okay. Rice and fish and spicy. Brown. What about you? What have you eaten for your breakfast? Rice and noodle. Okay. So what's the weather? Check out. What is the weather today? Sunny weather? Yeah, sunny weather. Okay. Today we have to go. Come on. What is the book? We have to go now. Let me check out. Okay. Student book. Yeah, page number 51. Yeah, page number 51.
51.
Exercise 2. Read and tick or cross. Tick cross. Page number 51. Student book. Page number 51. Student book. Can you try yourself? Look the read law, man. Tick cross law, man. Who said? I've got pizza. Who said? Come on. Missy or whisper or tender or flesh. Like that. I've got an apple. I've got a sausage. I've got peas. I've got banana. Tick cross. My cross law.
No.
Do it. Everybody, you have to try yourself.
Yes.
Do it now.
A pig.
No promise.
Page 48. 1.
1.
Listen and sing.
Sing.
Then tick the food in the song. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got a magic tree, let's go and get the tree. Pick an ice cream from the tree. Pick an orange from the tree. Pick an apple from the tree. It's the way you want to be. I got a magic tree with lots of things to say. I got a magic tree, let's go and get a cake. Pick an ice cream from the tree. Pick an orange from the tree. Pick an apple from the tree. It's the boy you and me. I got a magic tree.
Who finished? Mary, you finished? Hima?
No.
Do it quickly. So you have to do quickly. Brown, you finish? Do it. You have to read, okay, the story again. Page 50. Page 50 much the story okay? Where's Missy? Pizza, my favorite food, like that. Okay. How many pictures are there for you?
5.
No. In the story, how many pictures? 8 pictures. Yeah, you have to read again. Go back and read again in the story. There are 8 pictures in the story. ပုံမြင်ထဲမှာပုံဟိုဘက်မှာရှိတယ်အဲ့ကလည်းပြန်ဖတ်ပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ဒါ tick နဲ့ cross တော့မယ်လေ tick လို့မယ် cross တော့မယ်ဟမ် you have to read yourself လေကိုဖတ်
Page 48. 1. Listen and sing. Then tick the food in the song. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Magic tree with the key. I got a magic tree, let's go and get the tree. The nice leaf from the tree, the orange from the tree, we can apple from the tree, that's for you and me. I got a magic tree with lots of things inside. I got a magic tree, go and get it. The nice leaf from the tree, the orange from the tree, the apple from the tree, stand by you and me. I got a magic tree.
You finish?
Finish.
Oh, you finish.
No. No. No.
Look at it. I've got pizza. Who said I've got pizza?
Misty. No.
I've got pizza. Missy or the other three? The other three. Missy has not got pizza. So, cross or tick for Missy? Cross or tick for Missy? Cross. Cross or, come on, cross or tick for Whisper? I've got a pizza. Tick. How about Tana? Right? Tana. Cross or tick? Tick. Flash. Tick. I've got a pizza လို့ပြောတာဘယ်သူပြောတာလဲ Missy လား Whisper လား Tana လား Flash လား Whisper, Flash and Tana. No Missy. ဘယ်လိုလဲကြည့်နေရတော့ဟောကိုစားကုန်မလို့ကွာ Let's go. Another one. I've got an apple. Who said I've got an apple? Are you sure? Dijala, I've got an apple. I've got an apple. I've got an apple. Who said I've got an apple? Whisper and Tana. Okay. In which picture number? Which number? I've got an apple. Come on. Picture number 8. Okay. We got apple. I've got an apple. 8 number မှာတွေ့ရလို့လား picture number 8 မှာတွေ့ရလို့လား Whisper Tana Flash. We got pizza ပဲပြောရလေ I've got an apple ကိုလူပြောတာလဲအဲ့ဒါမင်းနေတာ I've got an apple. No. Three guy or two guy? Yeah, got 2 guy. Who and who? Tana and Flash or Whisper? No. No Whisper. Come on, yeah. There's the picture, right? Okay, no writing, only picture. So take for Tana, Flash. Cross for Missy, Whisper, right? Yeah, Missy နဲ့ Whisper တော့ cross လို့မလားထိလို့မလား cross Tana နဲ့ Flash ကတော့ဗာလဲထိ Okay လောက်ဒီနေ့လေးအဲ့လောက်လိုက်ပြောနေမှမရရင်လည်းမင်းတို့ကမကောင်းတော့ဘူး I've got sausage. Who said I've got sausage? Sausage. I've got sausage လို့ပြောရလဲ Only Missy? Yeah. Okay. Oh, Missy, take the other 3 cross. Let's go. I've got peace. I've got peace. Missy, huh? Are you sure? Missy and Whisper. 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 Where's whisper? I can see. In which picture? In which picture? Whisper said. Which picture? Whisper said. I've got. Come on. Peace. I've got peace လို့ပြောတာဘယ်လိုရလဲ Missy တယောက်လည်းလား whisper လား
whisper
whisper ပါလားဘယ် picture မှာတွေ့ရလဲဘယ်ပုံမှာတွေ့ရလဲ whisper ပြောတာ picture 8ပုံကြည့်တာလားဟော sausage ကြက်လေ sausage ကြက်လေ sorry peace Missy တယောက်တည်းလား whisper လားဆောနေရလား I've got P ကိုပြောရလဲ I've got P မှာပြောရလဲ Missy တယောက်တည်းလား whisper ပါလား Missy တယောက်တည်းမလား Missy တယောက်တည်းလေအဲ့ Missy နဲ့ tick လုပ်လေခဏ cross လုပ်လိုက် Let's go another one I've got a banana who said I've got banana Yeah Missy and Flash come on do If you finish okay come and show me ပြီးရင်တယောက်လာပြလိုက် Come on ပြီးလာပြမယ် one by one after the other ပြချင်းပြချင်း one by one after the other Đi bảo tụi mình đi đâu qua đến đâu rồi tụi đi mình đâu được rồi tụi mình đi trên đi nào qua rồi lại qua một tí này come on try yourself no bombing no more speaking right I will read you again ပြန်ဖတ်ပြမယ်နော်မျိုး tick to tick cross to cross နော် I got pizza missing tick across I got pizza whisper I got pizza tanda I got pizza flash tick okay I got an apple missing whisper I got apple missing tick whisper tick tanda flash I will tell you again I've got an apple missing apple I've got apple missing cross whisper tick tanda cross flash okay next one I've got sausage with missing tick whisper tanda flash cross I've got peas missing tick whisper cross tanda flash I've got banana missing tick whisper cross tanda flash cross bro အဲ့ဒါလေးမှမပြီးသေးဘူးလေမင်းကြည့်ကြရမှာပဲလားဟဲ့ဟောပြောလိုက် Let's go exercise 3, activity 3, activity 3 phone ko dwara ma. Hala bro, la bia la. Ma pile la bia. Min to no jare ko ma, ha? Ba lo ne. Mele lo le, tu mele ga ma pile. Mele ga pi, ko le pi ya ma po. Let's go. Phone ko dwa me exercise 3, 5 who said. Sorry, we haven't got pizza. Come on. Repeat after- sorry, we haven't got pizza. Okay, listen and say. Now now video likeပြောမယ်နော် like မပြောဘူးနားလည်းမထောင်ဘူးငေးနေရဆိုရင်တော့လာထုမယ်နော် which this means 58
Page 51. 4. Listen and say. For a hot dog.
For a hot dog.
At the shop for a hot dog.
Pizza for a hot dog.
Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog.
for at the shop for a hot dog hot dog hot dog
Hot dog.
hot dog
Hot dog.
police stops
Police dog.
at the shop
Shop.
for a hot dog
Hot dog.
police stop at the shop for a hot dog
Police dog.
police stops
Police dog.
at the shop
Shop.
for a hot dog
For a hot dog.
police stops
Police dog.
at the shop
At the shop.
for a hot dog
For
police stops
police dog.
at the shop
At the shop.
for a hot dog
For a hot dog.
ဒီလိုကြီးမိတ်ပြီးလိုက်မဆိုနဲ့နော်အောက်ကိုလည်းကြည့်ထုပ်ကိုဆိုခိုင်းကြတော့မှမဆိုတတ်ဖြစ်မယ်နော် police stops
Police dog.
at the shop
At the shop.
for a hot dog
For
okay I will read you police stop at the shop for a hot dog
police dog. Police dog. For a hot dog.
one after the other okay Mary
Police dog at the shop for a hot dog.
okay nice
Police dog at the shop for a hot dog.
nice okay Lily
Police dog at the shop. At the shop.
for a hot dog for F O R for a hot dog okay Lara okay Hima
At the shop.
Hima once again Hima
Police dog.
stop
Police dog at the shop for a hot dog.
okay nice high five Laura your turn stop police stop at the shop for a repeat after me police stop စာအုပ်ကလေးကြည့်ရမယ်ဆရာပြောတာလည်းနားထောင်မယ် okay you have to look at your book and listen to me police stops at the shop for a hot dog police stop at the shop for a hot dog police stops at the shop for a hot dog Listen again. Yeah, no.
Page 51. 4. Listen and say.
Listen.
For a hot dog.
For a hot dog.
At the shop for a hot dog.
At the shop for a hot dog.
Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog.
Polly shop for a hot dog. Repeat after me. For a hot dog. For a hot dog. For a hot dog. At the shop for a hot dog. For a hot dog. At the shop for a hot dog. Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog. A hot dog. For a hot dog. At the shop for a hot dog. Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog. Okay, one student by another. Once again. One by one. Yeah, Mary.
Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog.
Nice.
Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog.
Once again, Polly stop. You have to read me like that. Listen, tell me. For a hot dog. At the shop for a hot dog. Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog. Don't repeat after me. Only listen, okay? For a hot dog at the shop for a hot dog. Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog. No need to repeat after me. For a hot dog at the shop for a hot dog. Polly stops at the shop for a hot dog. Okay, one by one.
For a hot dog at the shop for a hot dog. Polly at the shop for a hot dog.
Okay, nice.
For a hot dog. For at the shop for a hot dog. Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog.
Nice. Thank you. Next one.
For a hot dog.
Yeah. At the shop
At the shop
for a hot dog.
for a hot dog.
Polly
Polly
stop.
stop at the shop for a hot dog.
Nice. Next one. 자,ခုနဆိုပြပြီးသားနော်. Okay, Laura.
Good.
For a hot dog
For a hot dog.
at the shop
At the shop
for a hot dog.
for a hot dog.
Polly stop
Polly stop at the shop
for
for
a
a
hot
hot
dog.
dog.
Okay, nice. For a
For a
hot dog. At the shop
the shop
for a hot dog.
for a hot dog.
Polly stop
Polly stop
at the shop
at the shop
for a
for a hot dog.
nice. Brown. ဒီမှာသူများတကဆိုထားတယ်မင်းနားထောင်လား Brown ရဲ့ For a hot dog at the shop for a hot dog. Polly stop at the shop for a hot dog. နောက်ကိုတယောက်သွားတယ်မင်းတို့ပြောရခဲ့ဟို Brown ပြေသွားတယ် Brown ဘောပါမော်သွားတယ်ဒီမှာများဘယ်လို two on one sitting.
Okay.
Two on one sitting.
Polly stop. Polly.
Mary can move to your left side. Right. Beside the brown, next to brown. Take a seat next to Brown. Hey. Piano. For a hot dog.
For a hot dog.
Only listen, not repeat. Okay? For a hot dog. At the shop for a hot dog. Police stop at the shop for a hot dog. ဒီနေ့ကဆိုတိုင်းကိုလည်းဆိုတာနော်ကြားလိုက်နားထောင်တယ်လို့ဆိုတာ Everybody can you read all together အတူတူဆိုမယ် Come on for a hot dog
For
ခရစ်ကြီးမှာစောညာတော့ဘာလို့ခရစ်ကြီးနဲ့စောညာတော့မစောနဲ့လေခရစ်ကြီးနဲ့တောက်လက်ကြမရှိကွာ Let's go page number 52 သွားမယ် listen and say the number okay how many number are given for you how many number yeah 10 the first number is 11 the second 12 the next one 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 ready
Yeah.
let's go Listen.
Page 52. 1. Listen and say the numbers.
ကြည့်ကြလေးတော့
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
15
16,
16
17,
17
18,
18
19,
19
20,
one by one okay Mary
11, 20,
12
11, 12,
12
12,
13
13,
yeah
14,
Yeah.
15,
15
16,
yeah
16,
yeah
17,
yeah
18,
yeah
19,
yeah
20,
20 yeah 12 Mm. Yeah.
20.
Yeah, nice. Okay, Hima. 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 15. Yeah, 18.
19, 20.
Nice, very good. Okay, Lily.
11,
Yeah,
12,
12,
12,
12.
12,
Yeah,
13,
13.
13,
13.
13,
13.
13,
Yeah.
14, 15,
15. 16.
16, 17, 18, 19,
20. Nice, 20.
20.
Nice.
11,
12. 12. Himaji, 12. 12. 13. 14. 15. Say
18, 19,
17. 20. Go. Oh, Brown, your turn. 12. Yeah. Yeah. 9. Yeah. 16. Yeah. Nice. Well done. 19. Yeah. 20. High five. That's good. This guy is good. This guy. Number one. You gave me Laura. Your pronunciation not very good. Let's go exercise 2. Exercise 2. Listen and write. Ready? Let's go. Go by me.
Page 52.
Listen.
2. Listen and write. Tom, can you look in the fridge, please?
Please.
What have we got?
Just a minute, Dad. We've got 16 carrots.
Carrot.
Wow,
Wow.
that's a lot. Have we got any apples?
Yes. We've got 13 apples.
Great. Have we got any steaks?
Steak.
Yes. We've got 1 steak.
Okay.
Okay.
Sausage.
And have we got any sausages?
Yes. We've got 4 sausages.
Okay. Let's go shopping. We need lots of steaks and sausages for the party.
Yummy.
Let's go. What more? One more time. Listen.
Page 52.
Listen.
2. Listen and write. Tom, can you look in the fridge, please?
Listen.
What have we got?
Just a minute, Dad. We've got 16 carrots.
Wow, that's a lot. Have we got any apples?
Yes. We've got 13 apples.
Great. Have we got any steaks?
Yes. We've got 1 steak.
Okay. And have we got any sausages?
Yes. We've got 4 sausages.
Okay. Let's go shopping. We need lots of steaks and sausages for the party.
Yummy.
You finish?
No.
Okay, what's that?
Page 52.
Listen.
2. Listen
Listen.
and write. Tom,
Tom.
can you look in the fridge, please?
Fridge.
What have we got?
Just a minute, Dad. We've got 16 carrots.
Wow, that's a lot. Have we got any apples?
Yes. We've got 13 apples.
Great. Have we got any steaks?
Yes. We've got 1 steak.
Okay. And have we got any sausages?
Yes. We've got 4 sausages.
Okay. Let's go shopping. We need lots of steaks and sausages for the party.
Yummy. Oh no.
Once again. How many times do you need to listen? We finish listening 3 times. Finish. This is the last time.
Page 52. 2. Listen and write. Tom, Can you look in the fridge, please? What have we got?
Just a minute, Dad.
Just a minute.
We've got 16 carrots.
16.
Wow, that's a lot.
Listen.
Have we got any apples?
Yes. We've got 13 apples.
Great. Have we got any steaks?
Yes. We've got 1 steak.
Okay. And have we got any sausages?
Yes. We've got 4 sausages.
You get it?
Okay. Let's go shopping. We need lots of steaks and sausages for the party.
How many carrots have they got? 15 carrots. Okay. Okay. What are the name of the food they have got? 13.
Apple.
13 apple. Can you spell apple?
A-P-P.
T-T-L-E-S apple. S or no S? S. 13 is one or more than one? 13 ဆိုတာတစ်လုံးနဲ့လားအများကြီးလား
More than one.
More than one. That's why S or no S? S. Apples. 13 apples. How you spell apples? A-P-P-L-E-S apple. What is the item? They have only one. Steak. How you spell steak? S or no S? No S. You got only one. No S. So how many sausages have they got?
4.
Sausages. Yeah, 4 sausages. How much? Show me. Come here. Show me.
1.1.
Okay, one by one. Listen. You can write here. Wait. Oh. One zero, 60.
One thing.
15. 50 is so many. 15. 15. Not 50. 15. Not 50. 15. 16. 16. Exactly. What's in your fridge? You know you get them about come on. Think and write. Amen. 14 pizza and something something. No, but I don't know why 40 pizza, something something. Okay. 2 more things you can write. Okay. Cái này gì cái nào hoa sầu lồng nữa. Cái này gì nha bị qua cái nào sao? Không cái gì là. cái này phải đuổi lên thì lâu mong lũ để mà ta đi bao giờ đi áp về điအောင်လေ.စိတ်တွေနားမှာစိတ်ကြီးရမှာဒီတော့အောင်ပေါ်လိပဲ။သုံးမှာစိတ်လက်ကောင်အစီလေးခေစိတ် How you spell steak? S-E-A-K, steak. Steak. How you spell steak? Steak. Come on, let's go. Activity 3. Activity 3 ကိုသွားမယ် What's in your fridge? မင်းတို့ရဲ့ fridge ထဲမှာဘာရှိလဲဆိုတာရေးခိုင်းတာဟုတ်လား Think and write. You can write you like. And you got comma and good job. Show me Mira.
Đúng rồi.
And Next one, come on, come quickly, everybody. Number did you get on it? Pick up and put it up and put it in. How many up? One up, two up. Cake, how many cake? One cake, two cake. You finish? Hey, how long are you going to I'm looking at you, I'm looking at you. Oh, this is my. Oh, my, you can no go to my mobile. Oh, I'm a late, as I see my late, I'm a bit of a bullshit. You finish? Do that. Wait. Pick up and put it in your body. The email, I'll show you. Can you see a little you can, huh? You can. No. I you get it, man. Pizza gas, a legal city, the Canada, but a cushy little you can up watermelon, chicken, or fish to put a lot you get a little bit, huh? You know, you get it out of my. Put a lot, Kelly. I love you. Number net. What about you get a you don't know. Okay. So, man, Lily, put the low man, come on. We have got only 10 minutes. Same minute, no? We have got only 10 minutes. What time you need? What I need to know you don't know. What about you? How can I have it? You don't you in my favorite thing, yeah, right? Do it quickly. No promise. Okay, no more talk. Hey, no more talk. Lily, come here. La. Two people now. Oh my, you can name it. Mama, do it. Oh my, Let's go page number 53. Page number 53, man. Exercise 1. Okay?
Yeah.
Exercise 1, look. You know, look, man. Here, no? Read. Fireman and saga. Follow me. Okay, fireman. The 5 mistakes. Amma, Ngahu. 5 mistakes. Mistake Ngahu, fireman in the test. How many tests? Tests, how many tests are?
3.
Yeah, three tests. The first test for Noah. The second test is for Peter. The last test is for Emily. How many children? How many children? 3 children. The first child is Noah. The second, Peter. Number 3, child, Emily. Once again. The first wife, Noha. The second boy,
Peter.
Peter. That girl, Emily. Let's read. Look at how many food are there in Noha basket. Noha basket ma, how many food? Come on. And three kind of food. Okay, food မျိုးသား3ခုရှိတယ်ဟုတ်တယ်right? So sausage how many sausage? How many sausages? 12. How many chicken? 1. How many sandwich? Okay, let's read together. Noha Jidara, I got 12 sausages. That is correct or not correct? Correct. မှန်လားမှားလားဒါမှန်တယ်အဲ့ဒါဝမ်းကြလို့လားမှားပဲဝမ်းရမှာနော် and 2 cheese sandwiches. Sandwiches, how many sandwiches? 1. So ဘယ်ဝမ်းမလဲ 2 sandwiches ကိုဝမ်းမှာမဟုတ်ဘူးနော်2ကိုဝမ်းရမှာအောက်မှာလေ2 cheese sandwiches လို့ပြောတာမလားတကယ်sandwich cheese sandwich ကဘယ်နှခုရှိရလဲ only one တွေးထားတာခါထဲမှာ2လို့ရတာမလားအဲ့တော့အမှားကဘယ်ရလဲ mistake ကဘယ်လဲ 2 the mistake is 2 and let's go I haven't got any steak မရှိဘူးဟုတ်လား yeah I've got a chicken မှန်လား I've got a chicken yeah okay only one target right let's go reading about Peter text Peter ရဲ့ text ကိုဖတ်မယ်နော် Peter said Peter ရဲ့ပုံရင်လုံးကြည့်မယ် how many apple 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 or 14 look at the picture
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14.
Okay, in the picture there are 14 apples. How many cake? 1 cake. Okay, let's read that text. I've got 13 apples. So, correct or not correct?
Not correct.
Okay, which one is mistake? 13 is mistake. 13လို့ပြောတာနော်ပုံမှန်13မဟုတ်ဘူးနော်ဘယ်လောက်လဲ 14 ဘယ်ဟာကိုဝိုင်းရမှာလဲဘယ်ဟာကို circle လုပ်ရမှာလဲ 13 you have to circle the number 13 I have got 13 apples I haven't got a cake I haven't got a cake ဆိုတော့မှားလားI haven't got a cake ဆိုတော့မှားလားမှားတယ် which one is mistake cake okay cake ကိုဝိုင်းရမယ်သူဒီမှာ cake ရှိလားမရှိလားရှိတယ်ပုံထဲမှာ cake ရှိတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့စာထဲမှာ cake မရှိဘူးဆိုတော့ cake ကအမှားလေ I haven't got a cake so circle the cake I haven't got a pizza သူမှာ pizza ရှိလား အဲ့ဒါမှန်လားမှန်တယ်မှန်ဝမ်းကြလို့လား if the statement is true no need to circle how many mistakes are there in Peter text 2 how many mistakes are there in Noah text 1 totally 3ဘယ်နှခုရပါလဲ3ခု how many left ဘယ်နှခုကျန်သေးလဲ 2 more mistakes left okay let's go Emily picture look at Emily picture how many carrots
3, 4, 5, 6,
11 carrots how many chicken how many banana
2 banana.
so let's read together Emily text Emily ရဲ့ text ကိုဖတ်ကြလို့နော် I've got 3 banana is true or false 4 so which one is mistake 3 are mistake လား 2 are mistake လား 3 target the number 3 number 3ကိုဝိုင်းမယ် and 12 carrots true or false 12 carrots true or false 12 carrots is true or false 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12 carrots is true or false okay, look at how many carrots are there in the picture မှာဘယ်လိုမျိုးဖြစ်လဲ how many carrots are there in the picture 12 so how many carrots are there in the text 12 is it true or false true by fault ပြောနေတာ I haven't got 4 fish that's true or false true I haven't got a chicken သူမှာ chicken မရှိဘူးလေ true လား false လား true or false false which one is false chicken chicken ကိုဝိုင်းရမယ် okay ပုံထဲမှာ chicken ရှိရမလားဒါပေမဲ့စာထဲမှာ chicken ကမရှိလို့ပြောရမလားအဲ့တော့ chicken ကိုဝိုင်းပေါ့ how many mistakes can you find in Emily text Emily ရဲ့ text ထဲမှာ mistake ဘယ်နှခုရှိလဲ two which one ထွဲအံ
chicken
ကျန်တော့ how many mistakes are there in Emily's text Emily ရဲ့ text ထဲမှာ mistake ဘယ်နှခုရှိလဲ two အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ဘာလဲ what are they ထွဲအံ chicken okay let's go Peter text Peter ရဲ့ text ကိုသွားမယ်ဘာလို့နေပြန်လဲမသိဘူး how many mistakes can you find in the Peter text Peter two which one and which one and yeah Tani and Kay how many mistakes are there in Noha one how many mistakes are there in Noha text one what is this one yeah number two is the mistake okay show me come here one by one ကြောက်ချင်းလာကြမယ်အဲ့တော့ဘုံကလည်းနှစ်ခုရဲ့ဟောပဲမားနေတာလားအဲ့ဒါဝိုင်းရမလားone by one ဆက်တာကြာဖြစ်လေ okay come here if you are come on erasing make sure your erasing is clear ဖြတ်မယ်ဆိုရှင်းရှင်းလင်းလင်းဖြတ် you have to erase clearly okay ဒီလားဖြတ်ရင်ဒီကြဖြတ်မပြောင်းလို့ရတယ် oh nice you are from come here oh Bami sit down please have you finished showing me let's go exercise 2တော့မယ် what we are going to do in exercise 2အဲ့ဒီ exercise 2မှာတို့ဘာလုပ်မလဲ make a shopping list shopping list ဆိုတာကလေမင်းတို့ဈေးဝယ်သွားရင်ဘာဝယ်မယ်ဆိုတာလုပ်တာကို shopping list လို့ခေါ်တယ် if you are planning to go shopping you have to write what thing you have to buy okay အဲ shopping list လေးကိုလုပ်မယ်တဲ့ for school lunch ဆိုတာတဲ့ဟုတ်လား so shopping list ကိုသုံးခုတော့လုပ်ရအောင်နော်ဒါက for example let me read you shopping list ဆိုပြီးတော့မင်းရဲ့ note ထဲမှာရေးလိုက် S H O P P I N G shopping list list and underline one blah blah two something three something come on အောက်မှာဆက်ရေးလို့ရတယ်ပုံမှာဒီလေးမှာရေးလို့ရနော် four five ဒီဝတ်သွားရင်ဘာတွေဝယ်မသွားပြင်းမှတ်သွားရမလား
yes
အဲ့ဒါမျိုး shopping list လို့ခေါ်တယ်လို့အဲ့မှာ notebook ထဲမှာ shopping list လို့ပြီးရင်သိမယ် if you finish making shopping list ဘာဝယ်မှာဆိုဝယ်မဲ့မျိုးသားတွေရေးခိုင်းရနော်ဘယ်နှခုဝယ်မှာလဲရေးရမယ် how many ဘယ်နှခုဝယ်မှာလဲဟိုမှာအဲ့တောင်းထဲမှာရေးနေရရှိလားရှိအဲ့ဒီတောင်းထဲမှာရေးတဲ့ရှိနေရရှိရင်ဒီမှာရေးလို့လည်းရတယ်နော်3ခု4ခု5ခုလောက်ရေးရတယ်ဘယ်နှခုဝယ်မှာလဲနော် 4 cake 2 banana 3 apple 5 strawberry my shopping shopping list my shopping list လေးရေးလို့ရတယ် shopping list လေးရေးလို့ရပါတယ်